Hi guys, I just wanted to show you this closure customization I did on this weave. I did this weave a while ago. The date is shown on there, but I'm just trying to bring out all my content just in case it would help somebody to understand a bit more of how to do this and how to go forward with whatever, if it's your career or if you just want to understand how some of these things work. Now, I like doing natural looking weaves or natural looking hair extensions. So when I pluck, I actually use my hands, and that's why I say I've done it my way. That is my own way of doing it. Other people use tweezers, and that's all nice and good. But this is my own way, and it actually works for me. So if anybody is saying, "Oh, this is not how it's done," or whatever, fair enough. You can have your opinion, but I just wanted to show you my own way of doing it. I like going for natural looking things, like as I said, weaves or hair extensions or whatever I'm doing, trying to make it as natural looking as possible. She wanted she got her wavy weave, and she wanted like an asymmetric bob, not too much difference in the length, but just one side slightly longer than the other. So at the other I think on part 2 of the video, which I'm going to do on Instagram, I'm going to do it in 2 parts. I'm going to show where I cut it and finished it. Now the finishing of any hairstyle is very as important as the sewing, cut. Everything just comes together to make you have like a nice hairstyle all around. Anyway, just watch and enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you learned anything from this, please let me know. If there's anything you would like to know about any hairstyle that you think I do, please let me know in the comments as well. Thank you.